Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. During Indian Navy Day, which is December 4, Lockheed Martin has revealed the first look of the Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk helicopter with Indian markings. The first pic of this beautiful helicopter was revealed by Lockheed Martin India on the Twitter handle. The exact wording which was shared by Lockheed Martin was, "This Navy Day, we are proud to share the first look of the Indian Navy's MH-60R in all its glory." It was followed by with the hashtag Romeo for India. In April 2019, the US Defense Security Cooperation Agency approved sale of 24 MH-60R anti-submarine helicopters to India for 2.6 billion US dollars and notified Congress of the proposed sale. During Trump's visit to India, this deal was fast-tracked and now we see the first look of Sikorsky MH-60R chopper with Indian markings. The main reason to acquire these choppers is to replace the Sea King helicopter, which has been used by Indian Navy for a long time. For decades, these Sea King Mk-42B helicopters carried out various tasks for Indian Navy, but with the Sea King being retired, the helicopter hangars on board on entire generation of warships are empty, and this is severely reducing the nation's combat capability. Several other warships in production will require more multi-mission helicopters when they enter the service. This acquisition is the first part of a plan to expand the multi-role helicopters in the medium term to replace the aging Sea Kings. The Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk is equipped with APS-153 multi-mode radars with automatic radar periscope detection and discrimination capability. This would help the Indian Navy in anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, intelligence and surveillance. The other significant feature of these choppers are the folding main rotor and a hinged tail to reduce its footprint aboard the ships. According to different sources, the deal includes the cost of 24 full-kitted and armed choppers along with 12 spare engines, 6 spare multimode radars and 6 multispectral targeting systems. Not just that, the deal also includes 1,000 sonobuoys or portable sonar systems for detecting enemy submarines. It also includes Hellfire missiles, rockets, and torpedoes to destroy the surface and subsurface targets. A range of communication equipment is also transferred according to this particular deal. The MH-60R is the primary anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare helicopter of the United States Navy. It can also be used for troop transport and cargo missions. The MH-60R is the latest naval derivative of a family of helicopters which is derived from the iconic Sikorsky Black Hawk helicopter. The MH-60R is currently in service with the United States Navy, Royal Danish Navy, Royal Australian Navy and Royal Saudi Naval Forces. It has also been ordered by Greece. So let us hope these helicopters arrive India at the earliest and these choppers replace the aging Sea King helicopters. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.